Alright, it's Saturday morning, and it's about 20 of 4 in the morning. Let's see what we got here. 3:37, Saturday, January 20th. And expecting my buddy Mike here in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. He's supposed to be here 3:45, so we're going to take a ride up to Jacktown, the Jacktown Snow Show. So we'll get a little clip before we go, and then I don't think we're going to see much. Like I say, it's going to be 4 in the morning, so we'll take some pictures of it when we get there. Alright, we'll show you Mike when he gets here. I think I just heard something. Oh, there he is. Wonder why he backed in. So he's got the heater. Wow. Got a bunch of stuff here. There he is. There he is, Tubes. Can we see him? Can we see him? There he is.
You waiting long?
No.
Okay.
You're right on time, man.
I know it.
All right, come on in. Get the heat on. You got the heat on that thing?
Oh, yeah. I was parked inside last night. It's all warmed up.
All right, what do you say, buddy? Let's go.
I can't.
Oh, wait.
Oh, there we go.
All right, go ahead.
Come on.
There you go.
We gotta hurry.
All right, hurry up. All right, we got it. We got it. All right, wait. I'll meet you out there. I can't go yet.
Oh, man. Hold the door.
All right, what we got here, Mike? 3:59.
Right on schedule.
Can you guys read that? All right, let's move them out.
20 degrees out. Let's go.
20? That means it's going to be like, when you get there, I think it's supposed to be 13 degrees.
Ooh, boy.
But I think it might, it's supposed to get warmer. I think it was supposed to go up to maybe 25. Originally, it was only supposed to go to 19.
25? We're going to be sweating now.
I know. When I shoveled the sidewalk here, the driveway, it was 24 out, so it wasn't that bad. Mm-hmm. All right, if we see anything, guys, we'll turn the camera on. But like I say, at 4 in the morning in the mountains, you're not going to see nothing. Maybe if we see a bear or something, but we'll see when we get up there. All right, we're coming up on it soon. Just a little bit after 6 o'clock. We stopped to get some grub, so it's about a good 2 hours. Yeah, everything's all lit up. No bonfire yet, though. They won't start the bonfire for maybe another hour or so.
Looking a little sparse at the moment, but I think it'll fill
Yeah,
up.
I was going to say that. Usually the place is packed by now, but I think we're a little earlier than usual. It's funny.
Looks nice with the fresh powder.
It does, but these lights look really blurry on here, like I got a dirty lens, but I don't. It's probably a combination of my lens and the windshield and everything.
Oh, I think I see Jonathan and Shane back there already.
Oh yeah, with the smudge pot burning, a little smudge. They probably slept over.
We want to go right here next to Shane. Yeah, it should be good.
I don't know, we're kind of close to this end. We're usually up a little further, right?
Guess so. Guess it really doesn't
See
matter.
which way the wind is blowing?
We'll go over here. That way, because Jonathan's got his smudge pot.
Yeah.
And we'll have ours. Shane
Okay.
can be in the center.
Yeah. Alright. I'll start you up when the fire, they start the fire up. I'll turn you guys back on, or when it gets a little busier.
Yeah.
Alright. Where is it here? 6:11. Alright. We'll see you guys later. Alright. The sun's starting to come up a little bit. We're getting a little bit of light here. starting their engines up. Got frozen water?
On top, yeah.
Yeah.
That's how quickly that froze.
It is, man. It's only 13 degrees. Takes a little to get them started in this weather, but they start. What's that leaking out of there, Shane?
What's that?
What's that leaking out? Water or gas?
No, that's water.
Oh. Looks like you're starting a fire. Yeah, give that about 10-15 minutes, man. That thing will be all engulfed. Let's see what we got going over here. Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be much of a turnout. Snow scares a lot of people. That's interesting.
Thank you, my friend. Enjoy. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Surely back. Oh yeah, our
yeah, they just took the tarp off. They just started. All right, I'll be right there.
Still unpacking.
That's been off for on it, bud.
Getting there.
How did the road king?
Here you go, all kinds of little baby engines here. There's a pin core. Rio. Yeah, it's a very light turnout, but you know, like I say, it's 13 degrees and snowy, snow on the ground. So I see something interesting over here you don't see too often, a Maytag lawnmower. The controls go way up here. There's something else too, a fly mower. The lawnmower without wheels. Pretty cool. Interesting stuff.
Hey!
This one is 10,
Yeah, it's a good flea market.
Alright, looks like our buddy Mike got rid of one of his cores here.
Let's get some weight to it.
Yeah. They have it. What's that? Hold it back, yeah.
There we go. So you need a couple of young bucks.
Oh, that's looking pretty easy. Yeah.
And you're starting to wane down a little bit.
Yeah, now we got to do that. That's what I'm doing. That's good. Now we'll be here at the first show, right?
Alright, it's about 2 o'clock and everybody's packing up. Most people left already. The diehards are staying here. Mike is taking our heater apart here and shoving what he didn't sell back in the truck. But yeah, not much of a turnout, but it was fun. We got to hang out with some of our buddies we haven't seen in a while. Near leaving. There's a buddy Jonathan over there. Shane and Hope. So there's another one in the books. Snow Show 2024.
Yes, sir.
All right. See you in the next one.